There are two separate ways to share students. First, you can create sub-accounts by clicking your name, then share access. From here, you can create sub-accounts for paraeducators as well as parents. Simply type their name and email address, then click add. Remember, you must enter the email address they used to create their track learning account. You can then select what students you wish to share with them, or select all students. In the same way, you can also share students with parents. Be careful to only share students with other users that have the right to access that student's data. Users can have unlimited sub-accounts for no additional cost. However, sub-accounts do have some limitations. Paraeducator accounts are primarily designed to collect data. They are not able to add students, add goals to students, or remove student content. Parent accounts are only designed to view objective student data. This does not include daily progress notes. Paraeducators and parents create their track learning accounts just like any other users on the login page. They just need to select the account type that corresponds to their position. Next, let's share students with other special education teachers. Go to the caseload page, select the students you want to share, click Action, Share Students, and enter the email address of the user you want to share the selected students with. The user you share the students with will have to accept the students the next time they log in. Once accepted, they will have full access to those students. If either of you delete a shared student from your account, the student will not be deleted from the other user's account. This means that if you want to transfer a student to another user, you can simply share the student, wait until the other user accepts the student, then delete the student off your account. This concludes this video. Please reach out if you have any questions.